The
Accepted Golden Lion Tamarins!
Yeah, that's what we are.
This is the Accepted Golden Lion Tamarins. Okay, and...
What's the story about?
Can I go?
Yes.
Okay. This is the story of David and Goliath. The Israelites were fighting the Philistines. Goliath called out someone to challenge him. All day, every day. One day, David came and saw Goliath. He decided to challenge him, for the Lord was with him. David came out and battled Goliath. Goliath cheated. So David swung his slingshot to the Goliath.